Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. And today is July 4th, 2024, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, Tesla continues to rally big to the upside. But first, U.S. markets will be closed today in observance of Independence Day. Now, shifting over to some of the market activity, the Forex symbols, we're watching the U.S. dollar continue to weaken versus the major pairs. And as we look at the indices, the Dow Jones remaining unchanged while the NASDAQ holding on to its gains. Shifting over to commodities, natural gas continues to slide lower while gold rallies to its resistance level. Now looking at the stocks yesterday, Nvidia rallied to its resistance level. However, the markets will be closed today. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin slides and tapers lower to its support level. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. First with the Euro USD, it's back into trading. It's back in its play. It's about 70 to 80 pips, but a pretty decent move for 1 day of trading. Now we did have the FOMC meeting minutes, and that was the catalyst here. And so look at it. We're starting out in a daily 107.80. Now we're right smack in the middle. Right smack in the middle between 108.67 and 106-ish level. So this is really interesting where we're going to go from here. Are we going to just fade this move and we're going to go back down to its lows? Or is this an impetus to take us back up to this 108-ish level? That is yet to be seen. You're going to have to take little cues from some of the other currency pairs as well as this continues to unfold. Now, okay, so that's where we are right now. So looking at a 4-hour chart, we're already kind of stalling here. If we look and kind of zoom out, okay, in a shorter time frame, because in a longer time frame, you don't see these little moves, but you could see that that initial move went, and now it's tapering off. Now, looking at the GBP USD, also had a big move. Now, if we shift into the 4-hour chart, also very similar to the Euro USD. So that parity between the British pound and the euro versus the dollar is pretty much very, very close at this situation. Now, the Japanese yen hasn't done much, so we're not going to focus on it too much. However, jumping into commodities, gold is on resistance-ish level. This is where it stalls. 2,356 is where we are right now. 2,363 is its resistance-ish level, so that's easy peasy Japanesey. A very easy trade just to lay out a little bit of shorts here and just keep an eye on it, okay, as this continues to possibly retrace, okay? That would be the move here. Now, I'm looking at natural gas. Look at this. I mean, just an easy trade here. Since it broke and then broke the 200-day moving average, it slid another 4 cents. Now, remember, natural gas, it's all about percentages, so even 4 cents is a very big move for natural gas. Now, jumping into the U.S. markets, the Dow Jones unchanged, okay, just rallied maybe 30, 40 pips. Not big of a deal. NASDAQ holding on to its gains also didn't rally big, but ending up the year on its highs, okay, into July 4th. Call it the end of the year, right? It's the middle of the end of the year as we're going into the latter 6 months of the year. Now, looking at the stocks, these two stand out. Let's take a look at it. Tesla, whoa, what happened to you? You went from 175 out to 246, almost $75 move. Okay, and that's over a 30% move. That is huge for Tesla, okay? We are at resistance-ish level, so just be aware of it. We're getting to it at 260-ish level, so keep that in mind. And looking at NVIDIA, also big rally yesterday to its resistance-ish area as well, to 126-ish level, and then tapering off. Now, the markets are closed today, so just keep in mind that you can't trade these today. But for tomorrow, just have it on your radar. Now, lastly, looking at Bitcoin, look at this, a nice little pivot to its downside, and it's testing that double low. Okay, 58,000 is a supportish level. It's testing it. It's a double bottom here. Okay, and if it breaks further down, and especially if it breaks that 200-day moving average, we'll see it continue to break down. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.